How to choose the best seat on Qatar Airways. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this Qatar Airways tutorial, I will teach you and put you through how you can choose the best seat on Qatar Airways. Choosing the best seat on Qatar Airways can enhance your travel experience to ensure you carry out or you perform all that will be taught in this tutorial. The first step is to log in into your Qatar Airways account just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, on the home page by the top left corner you can see your Qatar Airways logo. You can see some tabs such as Explore, Book, Experience, Privilege Club. And by the time you scroll down, you can see several places that you can go to using the Qatar Airways application or site. Now, once you're on this page, the next step on getting a seat is by managing your booking. Okay, so now for you to choose the best seat, you must have booked a flight already. So the next step is to move to your flight, to where your bookings are. How can you do this? By scrolling down and then moving to the lower part of the screen where you can see a box displaying options like book a flight, Qatar stopover, manage slash check in. So just click on that. Now under the manage bookings tab, you'll be asked to input your booking reference and then the last name, and then you click on retrieve booking. Go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the bookings page, the flights page exactly. And then once you're on the flights page, you'll see several options. Ensure you navigate through to the seating options. All right. So once you've selected the settings option, you would check the options available for your flight, and then you can now choose the one you prefer based on legroom, workspace, window or aisle preference, or even opt for a vacant seat next to you. Okay, and once you must notice that while choosing seats, you have to consider the aircraft because different aircraft have different seating configurations. So you have to use seat maps to find the best seat. And then once you're done, you can now come to the check-in page, click on check-in, enter in the booking reference and last name again, click on check-in, and then once you've checked in, you would increase your chances of getting your preferred seat, and then you'll be asked to pay for your preferred seat. Ensure you pay, and then just like that, your preference seat will be reserved for you. So this is how it is. This is how you can choose the best seat on Qatar Airways. Ensure you try this out, alright? Thanks for watching and have a good day.